Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys is trick or treating guys. So samahan niyo kami guys para mag bahay to bahay. Mamigay ng kindi. Bahay to bahay guys, parang sa Pinas pa kung mag-Halloween, bahay na bahay sa pagkain, pero dito sa Amerika is for kids, magbahay to bahay din. Ang owner sa bahay is magbigay ng mga kindi. So samahan niyo kami mamaya guys, pupunta kami, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag trick or treating here in America. So ito ang aming kindi for
trick or treaters.
Yeah, trick or treaters, RJ. Here is RJ.
Give him this.
This Spider-Man. Yan. You do that, RJ, when have people?
Yeah, it's not gonna happen though.
Okay.
Unless somebody goes like.
Here's RJ.
I don't want to take a picture. Record me. You have to record me. One picture. You know that, right?
Okay guys, we're going now. Okay, we're going now to trick or treating. There we go. Oh,
You're gonna do it now.
okay, we go now. Here's RJ. Bucket.
It's running, so
Okay, go. Look that dinosaur.
Thank you.
Here is RJ. What you got? What you have, RJ? Sneakers. Yeah. You have
Regular.
Ooh. Oh, look at this here. We take picture here, RJ. Look at that. It's cool.
How much was that, like a foot?
What you have? Ooh. Merry Christmas. What do you have?
Many Reese's.
Reese's. Ooh, look at that decoration. Nice.
Hey, RJ.
Here it is. Nice decoration, are you? Lollipop.
Said two. I got Starbucks. Starburst and another choice word.
Okay.
This one's a thing.
Yeah.
Starburst.
Okay. Here's RJ. The first bat, RJ. Here's the first bucket,
How
RJ.
much do you think we got? Ready?
Charo! There he is.
We got a whole pack of nerds.
Yep.
Popcorn, pretzels, M&Ms, Tootsie Rolls.
It's so cold
Dots.
outside.
This
What is
is
that, RJ?
red
Only that you
pretzels,
get, RJ?
and gloves, yeah.
What you got, RJ? It's dark now. It is RJ's dark. Ganda ang kanilang decoration. Yan. Uwi kami. So, nandito na kami sa bahay. Yan. Yan ang aming neighbor. Ang lamig. The second box of RJ.
Daddy,
Here it is.
we're out of candy.
Oh, out of candy so many people. See, here's the.
Favorites, I had to give it up.
Oh my goodness.
These are fun dips.
See, here it is. Now, RJ. Your candy. Second batch. Oh, it's so cold outside. My goodness.
Mostly girls.
Yep.
You get ready for me to dump.
Yep.
You see me dump? Ready?
Here you go. Wow, look at your finger, RJ.
Oh, I got soda.
Soda, RJ.
Daddy, I got one soda.
Whew. It's frozen my hands, RJ. It's so cold. Ang lamig sa labas. But this here have a lot of people here. Here's RJ. It's running, RJ. Daming people doon na side. Doon. Okay guys, uuwi na kami dahil tapos na kami. Gabi na. Ang lamig dito. See, much better to have light, RJ. And the other side, I have no light. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa aming bahay. Yeah. Grabe, ang lamig.
Only one person
Oh
since we left.
no. Oh, it's so cold, RJ. How many left now? Oh no, only little bit. My favorite. RJ, I have nothing.
I have to go to the store.
What? No, still have.
What happens after walking for 3 hours?
There's
After
our
walking
chicken there. You take picture first. In there.
This is what you get for walking for 3 hours.
Yep. Look at the time now. Oh, almost 8:45. Look at what can they have, RJ?
Here you go, closer.
It's RJ third.
And now this
Okay guys, we're here now in the house. RJ third now. Look at RJ, your shoes in there. What your shoes? Don't lying down right away. Go in the couch. No. Go in the couch. Yep. Poor RJ, tired now. See that? You're tired because so long.
can't read.
We have. Drink water.
Daddy, you wanna see? It's on the house.
Okay, that's it for now, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.